what happens if we get a plan and stick to it no matter what? Doesn't sound like a good idea to me. Two live edge slabs right out of here, and here down. That's the plan. Sound like a good plan? Are you even listening to the plan? What did I say that was? 15? Look how uneven the top of that log looks. And there's that 17 and a half. This end's still too high, gonna be too high. Here's the core at this end. And at that end, the core would be above this. It would be right about here. Well, we got to get it straight. Get in cornerstone wood and this is down it. It just looks so bad. This is really weird how bad this looks. Cornerstone. That might be, but look how bad that looks. So that's core. That's core level. And I don't know. You probably can't see it from here. Let's go back here and look how bad this looks. But you got to remember that I'm just splitting it with a chainsaw and a wedge, and I'm just eyeball splitting it. But you see how high up this end is and how low this end is. But the core is level. 4 inches there on the top of here before I get to the core even. So I'm going to get at least 2 5/4 boards down here. I'll just run out at the end down there before I even get that square. So there's the plan shot to hell, because we're going to have to take the 5/4 boards off here. That'll be quarter sawn. It looks like that. Nice raise. Nice raise. So that was probably a 3-foot piece that was worth saving. Got some nice black oak there. But those are some nice big rays. I like it. It's not your big 11-foot long piece like you want, but that's still a nice piece of, that's a nice board still. That'll come out nice. You give up the quarter saw for the live edge. Sound good? Let's see. See, I like this live edge right here. I think that's a really, well, look how black that knot is. It's black oak. I don't know who started this video saying it was white oak. Then I've got like 10 of those little shorts on there going on YouTube that say this is white oak. And it's not. That's a decent black oak slab. That's what your black oak looks like. The knot and the knot and the black streaks. How to identify black oak? This is the 5/4 piece here. Flimsy piece that you throw away. Then we have the 2-inch slab. 17-inch cut. And a real hard black oak knot. Might not be though, because it was sure moving through that first stuff up there. Next, what are we going to do next? I'm going to see how tall that pile is over there. The pile has to be 44, 45 inches to fill up the kiln. We're only at 20, so we're not going to make it. So, I'm guessing I'm going to have to start quartering that one. Man, I don't want to quarter that. I don't want to quarter it. I don't want to swing that sledge anymore. But if we quarter that, that'll fill up that pile, which will fill up the kiln. And then it's on to some walnut and some cherry. Let's go look at what's next. That'll be the next video. What's next in the log, guys?